Imagine you're sleeping, traveling, or chilling with friends, and your money's working for you. In this video, we are sharing 20 real, working passive income ideas that can help you build wealth with less effort and more freedom. Number 1. Print on demand with AI Edition. Create t-shirt, mug, and tote bag designs using tools like Midjourney plus Canva. Sell on Etsy or Redbubble. Number 2. Sell digital products. Ebooks, templates, resumes, Notion planners, one-time effort, lifetime income on platforms like Gumroad. Number 3. Faceless YouTube channel. Use AI voiceovers and stock videos. Monetize through ads and affiliate links. Number 4. Niche affiliate blogs. Start a blog using AI content tools and embed Amazon or share sale affiliate links. Number 5. Create an online course. Record once, sell forever. Platforms: Teachable, Thinkific, or Udemy. Number 6. License your photos or videos. Click and upload to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Storyblocks. Earn royalties. Number 7. Invest in dividend stocks. Buy shares that pay you passive income every quarter. Think Coca-Cola, Apple, etc. Number 8. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest in properties without buying a house. Try Fundrise or Realty Mogul. Number 9. Rent out a spare room or property. Airbnb. Even short-term rentals can bring long-term cash. Number 10. Buy and hold high-value domains. Think of it like digital real estate. Buy low, sell high. Number 11. License your music or sounds. Make beats, jingles, or sound effects, and upload to Audio Jungle or Epidemic Sounds. Number 12. Write a book or ebook. Self-publish on Amazon KDP. Fiction, how-tos, journals, anything that sells. Number 13. Develop an app or hire it done. Monetize through ads or subscriptions. Number 14. Cashback and rewards cards. Smart use. Use cashback cards wisely on purchases you already make. Number 15. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money on platforms like Prosper and earn interest monthly. Number 16. Create a paid newsletter. Email newsletters with premium content, hosted on Substack or Beehive. Number 17. Low-maintenance vending machines. Place snacks or hygiene machines at busy locations. Check local laws. Number 18. YouTube automation channels. Hire freelancers for script, voice, and editing. Own and operate the channel. Number 19. Sell AI-generated prompts. Create ChatGPT or Midjourney prompt packs and sell on marketplaces. And number 20. License your knowledge. Create a knowledge base. Monetize your expertise through paid knowledge libraries like private community access, cheat sheets, swipe files. Like, share, and subscribe this channel to get more videos.